Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I installed my beautiful LED crystal ceiling fan. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this ceiling fan with my own money, but I did want to share with you this really beautiful piece that I've added to my home. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So the first thing I did was add these acrylic gems to the ceiling fan frame. As you can see, the instructions were very vague, but I did manage to figure out that I needed to use the brackets to attach the acrylic gems to the frame. Once I was done adding my acrylic gems, I did have a few left over. Next, I assembled my crystal balls and my chains that will go in the center of my fan. These are crystal and not acrylic, so they're pretty heavy. The chains came in bags labeled A through E. Each bag contained a chain of a different length, and I simply added a crystal ball to each of those chains. While I worked on the crystals, my husband removed our old ceiling fan and then he installed the new bracket, motor, and frame. He followed the instructions to install the fan, so I won't include any of that footage here, but I will add a link to a YouTube video of someone installing a similar fan if you would like to see that additional instruction. Next, it was time to add the chains and crystal balls to the center of my fan. And here's the finished look. I think my favorite thing about this ceiling fan, other than the crystals, is the fact that the blades retract when the ceiling fan is not in use. The LED lights are super bright, and both the lights and the fan speed are remote controlled. Here's what our old ceiling fan looked like, and here's our new Fandelier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to like, comment, and share. I am constantly painting, changing my light fixtures, and making other small home improvements. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of this type of content, let me know down in the comments. And remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.